Hey, it's your grandma Snipes, and today I will be decorating my tree for St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna go ahead and go inside Dollar Tree and see what we can find for our tree. So stick around for the rest of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go shopping.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
My name is Carrie, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my dairy. And you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer.
Okay, y'all, so I made it home. You see the tree behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got and what we're gonna use. Tune in.
Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with ya. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies sing it with me. All I don't need when I walk in. No question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my talk the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad model girls, they love to date. You need to check my swag, get up to date. Check my swag, get up to date. Cause when we cut, I'm razor blader. I'm so laser, I'm so major, I'm so flavor, baby, I should have a clock on. Why you get your pretty girl rock on? For all my girls from Atlanta out to Stockholm. And they looking like, what the hell you got, homes? What you mean, baby girl? I got homes, different cribs, new whips. And I'm feeling fly like a D6 fly. My swag hit on ladies unknowingly. Pleased to meet you, it's a pleasure knowing me. Back when I was pro, I used to pull on with my poetry. Check that yes or no for me, I guarantee she go with me. But the only thing I need to know right now is what a pretty girl like you doing in this part of town. With a city girl swag and a country girl smile. I mean, you demoralize me with your style, wow. Well, how about now? My jewelry's so loud, my girl's so wild. I mean, my swag's so down. I guess that's the reason all the cops are so out.
Catch me, cameras flashing. Daddy turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I'm conceited cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Stuck together, don't hate. Jealousy the ugliest trait. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies sing it with me. Don't need when I walk in, don't question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I want my tongue the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate when I walk in. Don't question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I want my tongue the way I trip. It's not my fault, so please don't trip. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful.
Do the pretty girl rock,
Do the pretty girl rock,
do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock, do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me.
Do the pretty girl rock,
Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me.
Do the pretty girl rock,
Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do your pretty girl rock for me. Do the pretty girl rock for me.
Do the pretty girl.
Can't breathe, can't think, been through enough. My friends on the street stop sober. What's wrong? They demand tell us what's up. No need to wanna look and they all shut up. See it's written all over, anyone can see. No matter how much daily I do see. And I'm tired of missing what I replace. So tired of the world knowing no mistake. constantly running off my body, so quick to follow suit. 'Cause I'm running from every memory of you, and every attempt to just let it go just keeps a knot caught in my throat. But it's one thing I'll figure it out. The last thing that I wanted you around, but the tears keep rolling down. Yeah, my face keep rolling down my face, rolling down my face. Oh, keep rolling down my face, rolling down my face. Oh, keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. No matter what, keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 yeah. Hey, oh. They say it's better to love alone than never love before, but I don't wanna get the whole sometimes I close my eyes, wishing I could turn back the hands of time. I try to teach myself I never loved a lie, but the tears keep rolling down my face, yes, keep rolling down my face, rolling down my face, keep rolling, rolling down my face, rolling down my face, keep rolling, 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 keep rolling, 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 keep rolling, 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 rolling.
She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I have nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, please wait, 'cause it's another day. Paradise. Oh, please wait, 'cause it's another day. You and me He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, please wait, 'cause it's another day. Paradise. Oh, please wait, it's another day. You and me oh yeah, just think about it. Ooh, think about it. Oh yeah, just think about it. Ooh.
DJ discretion. Now here's a story about a woman with dreams. So picture perfect at 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface it was more than just a crooked smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture three crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me for niggas violated. They chased and they raped me, even though it wasn't me. I could feel the grief thinking with your brains blown. That would make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, 'cause they win when you're so
I saw you standing, and I started recently. I knew you too. And just like a morning, you were too shy, but you weren't the only one, so was I. And I dreamed of you ever since. Now I build up my confidence. Next time you come my way, I know that's what to say. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name.
Going through hard times, ghetto child of mine. I wonder if you have to suffer for your father's crimes. To be honest, it's a hard road. Just keep your faith in God, knowing you'll be scarred though. Look at him walking and talking, a little child with my eyes and mouth. Father, watch over little seeds, help me guide them out. Had to change my whole lifestyle. Married my baby's mama, made her my wife now. I'm trying hard, y'all. Maybe in time I'll be a better man. Watching the older couples handle it like veterans. Show me the meaning of forever, and together we rise. If it would help our child grow, then together we die. Why? Question my love, it's so easy to see. Without my family, all I'm left with is a shadow of me. After all the arguments and the nights alone, now it's time to live a good life, good life.
Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Can we
DJ discretion.
It's they all say, yo, y'all say they lingerie on that Chardonnay, scoring touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the yo. I'm Billy Rich like John Jack, I'm Camo in the yo. These thoughts can't stop me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at food. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak.
Can't focus on